In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Gmail template. This process is incredibly useful for anyone who frequently sends similar emails and wants to save time by using pre-written templates. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account and clicking on the Compose button. This is usually found in the top left corner of your Gmail interface. By doing this, a new email draft will open up. This draft is where you'll begin the process of editing your template. Next, you'll notice three vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. When you hover your mouse over the Templates option in this menu, another submenu will appear. This section will show you all available email templates that you've previously saved. From here, you will need to select the template you wish to edit. Simply click on the template name and it will populate the email body with that pre-written content. Once the template is loaded, you can directly begin making your changes. Edit the template in the draft as you see fit. Maybe you want to update the greeting, tweak the message body, or adjust any other part of the text. Feel free to make those adjustments now. After you've made your edits, you'll want to save the updated template. To do this, click those three dots again in the Compose window. Once more, hover over the Templates option. This time, however, you'll want to hover over Save Draft as Template. When you do this, a new menu will open listing your existing templates. Look for the template you just edited, click on the name of the template. You'll be prompted to confirm overwriting the existing template with the new version. This is essentially like refreshing the template with your updated content, ensuring that every future email you send using this template contains the new version of your message. Finally, after selecting the template to overwrite, click on the Save option. This step finalizes your changes and saves your edited template for future use. Now, each time you want to use this new version, you just go back to the template section and it will be ready for you. And there you have it, you've successfully edited a Gmail template. With this easy process, you can keep your messaging consistent and efficient, making your email communications quicker and more seamless. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks.